Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are comparing two popular options between Asana and Todoist. We will break down their key features, ease of use, pricing, and help you figure out which one is the perfect fit for your workflow. So let's begin. Let's begin with Asana. It is a web-based and mobile application designed to help teams organize, track, and manage their work. It is one of the popular project management tools that offers features to streamline collaboration, improve productivity, and ensure that everyone on the team stays aligned on tasks and deadlines. Now, if you're curious about the pricing, you might want to click this option that would lead you to the individuals and small teams that starts at the personal, which is $0 free forever, and you kind of get these perks and benefits. If you wanted the starter pack, which comes at 6.92, which has all of these features. The advance comes at $15.74, and you have all these. Now, in terms of the businesses and enterprises, the Enterprise and the Enterprise Plus is a big commitment, so I suggest you contact the sales department and book a demo or a discovery call, because you might want to test waters by clicking the get started option here before you can gauge if the Asana is going to be the production tool management for you. You can continue using your Google account or your business or even your personal email. And from there, once you have successfully created your account in Asana, you should be able to receive a welcome email and click the get started button. That would forward you to the main dashboard, wherein one of the key features of Asana is the task management, wherein users can create a project from scratch. You can use a template or import spreadsheet, which you can add from another tool. But of course, we're just going to use a template. You would be forwarded to this option right here. You have the option to choose from event planning, work requests, or cross-functional project plan or meeting agenda. If we go to the cross-functional project plan, you would notice that you can use this template by clicking this button. You can rename this project as this and create the project, and you would be forwarded to the main dashboard. Now, on the upper left corner, you have the create button, wherein you can create a task, create a project, wherein group can task into projects with clear objectives and track their progress using various views. If you click the task, you can start to create a new task right here. All right. Add a task, write a name. You can put in an assignee right here. All right. If you wanted, you can put in the due date if you want, priority, and task progress. In the customize option, you have all of these fields that you can add, rules, forms, and a lot more. All right. In this, you can, of course, put in the collaborating team members. You have the option for the reporting tools. You can customize your dashboard into this and create your first dashboard. You can now see the interface that enables team members to comment on tasks if you wanted. Right here, you can add a photo or a file if you want. By clicking this button right here, you can choose from any of the following: your computer, Dropbox, Google Drive, Box, and OneDrive SharePoint. All right. In terms of the share, if you wanted unlimited access to any of the following, you might want to use any of these. You can invite email with people or users. Maybe if you're working with multiple clients, you can add them here, even if you're working with your client. All right. Now, let's go to our next contender, which is Todoist. Is a popular task management and to-do list app designed to help individuals and teams organize, prioritize, and track their tasks and projects efficiently. Now, it is known for its simplicity, flexibility, and powerful features that enable users to stay productive and on top of their daily responsibilities. Now, if you wanted to check the pricing, if it's going to be the better fit for you, you might want to begin with the $0 for month, free forever. That is the beginner plan. The Pro comes at $4. You have all these perks and benefits. All right. Everything in beginner plus all these. Now, the business is at $6 per user per month. All right. And you have everything in Pro, plus every member have all these. Now, before we dive into this big commitment, we might want to click the Start for Free button to get our account started, and you can choose from any of the following. You can continue with Google, with your Facebook account, or your Apple. You can also use your business or personal email, and from there, once you have successfully created your account in Todoist, you should be able to receive a welcome email from the team and click the Open Your Todoist platform. And then while waiting, you would notice that you would be forwarded to the main dashboard, wherein it's a very easy thing to look up. Now, one of the key features is the clean interface, wherein you have the option for the add a task. You can create and organize and prioritize tasks very easily and efficiently. You can put in the due date. All right, for example, that's going to be around December 30th. We can choose the priority to red, meaning it's urgent, and we can have a reminder. You also have an action for it. We can put in a label, location, or if you want to add an extension, you can also do that. But for now, let's gonna click the add a task. It's very easy thing to do. Tasks can be grouped into projects, for example, work, personal or specific projects, and you can categorize all tasks. Now, you see, if you wanted to take a look at it on the upcoming task and the filters and labels, you can search from these, and if you hide the left side panel, you can do that as well. You see this button right here, that's the comment. This is especially, for example, I want to add a comment here. This is particularly useful if you are working with multiple people. It's, for example, in our Deep Labs YouTube channel, we are a handful of individuals who handles the video production, the research, and the creatives. So we're using Todoist to some of our task management tool. This feature is very handy because we can add section, we can copy to link inbox. We have the option to import from CSV, export to CSV, or email tasks to inbox if you wanted. And this section for the list, for the view section, you can break down this to the list view, to the board view, and of course to the calendar view, which is kind of like a handy tool. Now, in knowing all of this, I highly suggest you choose Todoist if you prioritize simplicity, task focus management, and a straightforward organization. It's most suitable for users like wanting for a streamlined and straightforward tool for tracking tasks and improving productivity. It's very easy thing to do. Now, you choose Asana if you needed to have a complex kind of production for small teams or individuals. All right. And you need advanced project management, collaboration, and detailed workflows, because both are popular task management apps, but again, they serve slightly different purposes and work best for different types of users. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.